Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this geometrical problem. Here is a triangle A, B and C, and here it is in a line is DC in the triangle. Now AD is equal to 14 centimeter, DB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 square root of 3 centimeter, and we have to find the value of the x, means that we have to find the angle ACD. Now, let us suppose that this angle is theta. Now we take the triangle D, B and C. Now, here it is a tan theta. Tan theta, it is equal to height divided by base. Now, here it is a height is BC divided by base is DB, which implies BC it is given 7 square root of 3 divided by DB is 7. Now we can cancel out this 7 by this 7 and it is equal to square root 3, which implies tan of theta is equal to square root of 3. It is equal to tan of 60 degree. Now we can cancel out this tan by this tan, which implies theta is equal to 60 degree. Thus, theta is equal to 60 degree. Now, we have this angle ADC plus angle theta is equal to, this is a straight angle, and a straight line angle, it is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle ADC plus angle theta, it is equal to 60 degree, it is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle ADC, it is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which implies angle ADC, it is equal to 120 degree. Thus, this angle, it is equal to 120 degree. Now, we move this in triangle ADC, and angle B is 90 degree. It is a right triangle. Now we use this Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, it is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which implies hypotenuse is DC square is equal to base square is 7 square plus perpendicular 7 square root of 3 whole square, which implies DC whole square is equal to 7 square, it become 49 plus 7 square, it become 49 times 3, which implies DC whole square is equal to 49 plus 49 times 3, it become 27, and 3 times of 4, it become 12, 13 and 14, 147, which implies DC whole square is equal to 9 plus 7, it becomes 16, and 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, which implies DC is equal to plus minus square root of 196, which implies DC is equal to plus minus 14, as DC is length. No, which implies DC is equal to 14 centimeter. Thus, DC is equal to 14 centimeter, and it is 14 centimeter. Now, this side is also 14 centimeter. Now, in this triangle ADC, AD is equal to DC, and these two sides are equal, which means that this is an isosceles triangle. Thus, this angle means that DAC and angle ACD, these are two equal angle. Now, this angle is X, then it also will become X. Now, we know that sum of all angle of a triangle, it is equal to 180 degree. Now, in this triangle ADC, now angle X plus angle 120 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Now, which implies angle x and angle x, it become 2 of angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which implies 2 of angle of x is equal to 60 degree, which implies on dividing both sides by 2 we get angle of x is equal to 30 degree. Thus angle x become 30 degree, which means that angle DAC become 30 degree and angle ACD it also become 30 degree, which is our required solution of this problem. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.